I give out bricks as part of my workshops when people first do my discovery program. The bricks are great fun for playing around with and for keeping the thought process alive, but actually if you have a set of bricks, you can continue to use them long after the workshop. Think about a conversation you're about to go into, and you can use your bricks to just reset yourself about what you're there to do. So, is this conversation going to be short, get to the point, and then you're going to get out of there? Is this all about the detail? Do you need to make sure you've got all the details before you go in? Are you there to get details? Is that the point of the conversation, to clarify things? Is this an opportunity to show the person that you care about them? Is this because you want them to demonstrate that they care about you? What are you going to do in this conversation that demonstrates care for the other person? And finally, is this an opportunity for involvement? Is this about you wanting to understand your input, your value, your contribution? Is this an opportunity for you to tell them about their value and their contribution? It may well be that you want to pitch it at who you've got in front of you, but it may also be that it's an opportunity for you to share what you want out of this interaction. It's not complicated to take 4 statements and just reflect on them briefly before you go into a conversation. So, do you want detail? Do you want to be brief, be bright and be gone? Do you want showing of care, or are you looking for involvement? If you go into any conversation with that in mind, it really helps you. So if you've been to one of my workshops and you have a set of bricks to work with, don't forget to use them.